Hi guys,
What's this say? It says there's a disease alert. Oh. Yeah. Alright. Well. Hello everybody. We are here on this cold freaking day at Driftwood Beach State Park. Yeah, Driftwood Beach State Park. It's cold out here. No doubt about it. The wind's blowing, the wind's cold. You gonna say something?
Hi, I love you, YouTube. I watch your day video. Hi.
Well, yeah, I guess it's a short little hike to the beach down here. Now, this is connected to one of my favorite beaches, although I've never been to this beach at all. I have no clue what's down here. I was kind of hoping it wasn't just a flat beach. Hey, don't walk down. Walk down this part. 66 is our number. What are you scared of? Muck. Yeah, I guess this beach isn't that bad. Not really too much here though. It's really windy, so I don't know if you guys can hear me. Yeah, I bet you there's some agates in this mess. I wonder if the tide makes it all the way up here. Probably does. This winter we've had some crazy tides. Not this big tree stump. I wonder how long that's been there. See, right up that way is Seal Rock and Quail Street. All that good stuff. I love Seal Rock. I love Quail Street better though. It's more secluded, not as many people on Quail Street. You all right back here? Short? Why are you so quiet? Yeah, well, come on. No, you're never this quiet. You are never this quiet. Sorry guys, I'm stuck on this little rock path here. Hoping maybe to find an agate real quick. Don't think it's gonna happen though. This is a popular beach and it looks a little too easy to pick through this stuff. Let's go check out the ocean part.
Bye, YouTube.
Remember what I said about the ocean. Remember what happened yesterday. Keep your eye on it. Yeah, you can find some pretty good agates just right up there at Quail Street. Oh yeah, so Waldport is that way. About 2-3 miles. so you can still see where the river meets up with it. Meets up with the ocean, the Alsea River. Hey, be careful down here, Josh. Watch the ocean. He had a scare yesterday where he got knocked down right as a wave was coming in. And the wave was up to my knees, so don't go getting all wet. That's your last pair of dry shoes. But yeah, it was all the way up to his, all the way up to my knees. So once he fell, I was like, oh man. Yeah, pretty cool beach. We're not gonna spend a lot of time down here though, because it's freezing. A little closer to the ocean, maybe. What'd you say?
Here comes the virus. I'm sure nothing will stop it coming.
Yeah. Look at that rock. That rock has a. Look at that one. It's like a. It's like a heart with a hole in it. Goofball here. Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. The ocean's way more calm than it was yesterday. I think it's an outgoing tide, though. Huh. Yeah, kind of not my type of the beach. Kind of not my type of beach. I don't like these flat beaches. I like the rocky ones that are more interesting to climb around. Hey, stay on this side of me, Josh. Stop, please. I mean, I guess it's pointless to stop now. You're already soaking wet. Alright, that seems about it. Seems about all for this place. Guess if you guys like the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, do whatever it is you do, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. Wanna say bye?
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Alright, you guys have a good night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you're from. Alright, I didn't think I was going to find an agate, but on the way back, I found this one, which is pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. Almost looks like a piece of petrified wood. Score. Alright.